In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel with GetResponse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a complete sales funnel set up, ready to start selling your product and capturing new customers automatically. First, start on your GetResponse dashboard. At the very top, you'll see the main navigation bar. Hover over or click on the option labeled Tools. This will open a large drop-down style menu, sometimes called a mega menu. From here, look for and select Conversion Funnel. Once that page loads, go to the top right corner and click on Create Funnel. On the left-hand side, you'll see different funnel types. Click on the Sales Funnel tab. Now you'll be asked to choose between a full sales funnel and a quick sales funnel. Both work, but to keep things simple for this tutorial, select the quick sales funnel and click Create. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your funnel. Pick a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, then click Save and Continue. Next, you need to add your product. If this is your first product in GetResponse, you'll see a button that says Let's Do It. If you already have products, you'll see an option to Add Product. Click the one that applies to you. You'll now choose what type of product you're selling. GetResponse offers options such as a downloadable file, an online course, a service, or a physical product. For this example, we'll go with a downloadable file. Enter your product name. This field is required, so make it something your customers will easily understand. Then add a product description, which is also required. You can also include a short description if you want a quick summary to display in certain places, but this part is optional. Finally, enter your product price, making sure the currency and value are correct. Next, upload a product image. This is required and helps your offer look more professional. Click in the image field and a file browser window will open. Find the image on your computer, select it, and press enter or click open. You may be prompted to crop the image, adjust it as needed, and confirm. After that, upload the actual product file, for example, a PDF, zip file, or other downloadable asset. Click Select a file from your computer, locate the file, and confirm the upload. Now decide what happens after someone buys. Choose how you want to handle your buyers and select which email list they should be added to. This is crucial for follow-up marketing. You can also enable the option to add them to an autoresponder cycle, which means they'll receive a sequence of automated emails you've prepared. When you're happy with these settings, click Save and wait for the page to reload. The final step is to choose your payment processor. Pick the payment service you use, such as a standard online payment gateway that's available in your account, and connect it if you haven't already. Once you've selected your payment processor and confirmed any required details, scroll to the bottom right of the page and click Save. At this point, your basic sales funnel in GetResponse is created. You've set up the funnel type, added your product and its delivery file, configured what happens with new buyers, and linked your payment processor, so you're ready to start driving traffic and making sales.